There's got to be some type of joke.
What joke? Nah, I got on her and asked you. I'm telling you Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh, I haven't looked at you yet. I would have never said it if I looked at you first.
What you mean? What it do, Band Runner Squad? What's up, you guys? It's your girl Shonda, and I'm back with another freaking video. As you can tell by the title, you guys, I will be going on Monkey app, you guys. I'm gonna try to be nice today. I'm gonna go on here and tell the guys, the ladies, or whoever comes up, Happy Valentine's Day. So, you know, I'm gonna have my teeth in. You know, we're gonna see if we're gonna get a good reaction or a bad reaction. I'm trying to be nice here today. It's Valentine's Day, okay? But if you're new to the channel, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notification on so you'll be notified every time we post a freaking video. Today's post notification shout out goes to Joshua Underwood. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Just know your comment does not go unrecognized, okay? Period. Alright? Joshua said he got the intro, he got it memorized. He got the intro memorized, period. But we on the road to 30K, you guys. Road to 30K, you guys. We almost there. Like, y'all, did y'all not tell somebody about us? Y'all gotta go tell somebody so we can go ahead and run it up. We're trying to grow our family, Band Runners. You know, we're trying to grow our family. Also, you guys, I am rebranding my channel. Please click that link in the description. You guys, to Shunda's World. I know y'all guys, if y'all say y'all love me, like y'all say y'all do, go ahead and hit that link in the description, you guys, so y'all can see more of me, you guys. When I get to 1K, I will start posting videos on there, okay? Until then, you guys, we will just be doing these monkey videos, so y'all will just see that on this channel, okay? But we ain't gonna do too much talking, you guys. Y'all already know what we here for. I'm gonna have my teeth in my mouth, and we're gonna go here and just say Happy Valentine's Day to everybody. And as before I hop into the video, Happy Valentine's to you guys as well. Y'all are my Valentines. And if y'all didn't know, today is me and Eric 9-year anniversary. Happy anniversary to us, you guys. This is the day we decided we're gonna be boyfriend and girlfriend. So today made 9 years. Period. That's my boo. But let's hop into the freaking video. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day too.
Thank you.
Where are you from?
Huh?
Cutie pie.
Cutie pie?
Where are you from?
I'm from Chicago. I think we lost him. Happy Valentine's Day.
We meet again.
I know. Happy Valentine's Day to you.
Happy Valentine's to you too.
Thank you.
Glad you remember me.
Yes.
No problem.
Yeah. Well, you have a good day.
Damn, you still rocking them teeth?
I've got to. I got to.
Why?
Cause
your hairstyle though?
Cause I'm a YouTuber.
So you too.
Bye. My chair regular, y'all. Happy Valentine's Day, E. Happy Valentine's. Happy Valentine's Day. You supposed to say Happy Valentine's Day back.
Man, it's not no real day.
It don't matter. I said something nice to you. You supposed to say something nice back.
Happy Valentine's Day, Slime.
Thank you. And keep it like that. Don't ever get out of the character. And keep it like that.
You got me fucked.
I'm trying to be nice.
Shoot.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
Why you act like that?
You cheat fuck.
To London on board a coach.
You act like this every time.
Every
Every time.
In Slovakia.
You're so hot.
I could never get over the fact
Ah,
he was released on
damn it.
he managed to get
I'm trying to be honest, y'all. I really am. Happy Valentine's Day, babe. Happy Valentine's Day. You didn't hear me? I said happy Valentine's Day, babe.
I got a wife, but
Happy Valentine's Day. You can't say happy. So your broke ass can't say happy Valentine's Day back. That's all right.
okay, look.
No. Don't try to take it there now, because I try to say something nice and then you hit me with you got a wife. I didn't ask you about your relationship. First of all, let's start that. And I just said happy Valentine's Day. All you have to do is say happy Valentine's Day to you. But now you didn't go there. You took it there. Why you got your hand on your mouth? What's wrong with you? Do you have a problem? Do you have a problem? You need to go see a psychiatrist. Something's wrong with you. You need help. And she cheating on you anyway. Well, she was sneakily anyway now. Happy Valentine's Day, friend. What? That's what I'm saying. Happy Valentine's Day.
Same to you.
Thank you.
Do you have a Valentine's today?
Huh? You my Valentine's. Right? Okay. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking
Where
about.
do you want to go?
Huh?
Where do you want to go?
I want some chocolate.
I'll send you chocolate.
Okay. And I want a teddy bear.
Teddy bear, chocolate.
That's it.
That's all?
That's all I want.
No worries.
Thank you.
Take care.
You too. Bye. I'm being so nice today. I'm so proud of me.
35 años.
A 5 mañana.
Oh. ¡Ay, huepón!
Who?
You are beautiful.
I know. Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh, yeah. 1 second, please. 1 second.
Okay. Who that?
That is your son?
That's my son?
Yeah, your son.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Already?
What the hell he talking about? I don't know what he's talking about. I can't understand. Don't trust him. Happy Valentine's, babe.
Why you gotta take those out, bro? Take those out.
My son, I said happy Valentine's Day.
Take the teeth out.
These mine.
Tap it.
Go, y'all. Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh, I know her. I swear to God, I know her. I know she goes. You're so cute, girl. I swear to God. Like, what the fuck?
What you just say to him?
I said, you're cute. You're fine. Hold up. Let me. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Hold up. You know my teeth used to be the same shit like yours?
Who?
Well, I freaking put braces in there, you know?
You need to get some veneers.
You said what?
Need veneers.
I can't hear you.
You gotta get some veneers.
What does that mean?
I'm saying, them not working.
Do you have Valentine or no?
You my Valentine.
Yes. You fucking beautiful. I will freaking eat your nose, you know?
Yeah. What, he jealous?
Yeah, he's about to cry right now. Look at him.
Quit being jealous.
Look at him. He's so ugly. His
He
hairline
is.
fucked up too. Look at his
He's
hairline.
terrible. Look at, comb your hair.
But I like your forehead, you know? Look
I
how
know.
big that bitch is. I mean, I love it.
Thank you.
You're welcome, baby.
Bye.
I like your teeth too. Like, what the fuck?
Bye.
Bye?
My boy here big in the motherfucker. Happy Valentine's, babe. Oh, wow. This shirt's so regular. Happy Valentine's, babe.
Happy Valentine's Day.
What you doing?
Happy Valentine's Day, girl.
What you got going on?
What you got going on?
Nothing. What's wrong with your internet? A little tricky, ain't it? Huh?
Is this a joke?
No, I'm asking you about your internet.
There's got to be some type of joke.
What joke? Nah, I got on her ask you. I said you Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh, I haven't looked at you yet. I would have never said it if I looked at you first.
What you mean?
Exactly what I said.
If you would have looked at me first, you wouldn't have said it.
You can hear, can't you?
What you mean by that, though?
I mean, what it sound like?
You trying to say I'm too good for you or something?
I'm trying to say you got some Halloween teeth in.
Who, me or you?
With me and you. Look in the mirror.
You need to look in the. No, you need to go look in the mirror.
Is those real or is that fake? Let me know.
This is very real, but you shouldn't be judging nobody. You heard me. And audacity. Happy Valentine's.
Yeah, happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
How's your day?
My day good. It's pretty good. You know, I went out to eat and got my feet done, but I'm good. How was your day?
Without me?
Yeah.
Man, that's tough. We gotta reschedule next time.
Yeah, next year. Next year. What? Next year. Valentine's over with. Happy Valentine's, babe.
Hello.
Hello. What are you doing? Are you working on an experiment?
Actually, I have a question. You want to see me do a sexy dance for you?
No.
You want to see naked dance?
No.
Okay.
Who do you think I am? No. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's. That's a terrible me. Him again. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day to you as well.
What you doing?
What?
I said what you doing? Why y'all in the camera like that?
Oh, your shit fucked up, baby girl. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm sorry. No disrespect, but you gotta get that look, that baby girl. You eat a lollipop. You got the lollipop in your mouth, and your mouth fucked up, baby girl. Your hair's on fleek. Don't get me wrong, your hair's on fleek, you know. But your mouth is crazy, baby girl.
Who you talking about?
What? Were you trying to get some donations to get your girl fixed or something? What's
Yeah.
up?
Yeah, that's exactly what I got going on.
GoFundMe?
Yeah, hit me
You
up.
got a GoFundMe?
Yeah, hit me up.
What's your GoFundMe, yo?
Yeah. It's called Broken.
What's the name of your GoFundMe?
It's called Broken Niggas Like You. That's what it's called. Get the fuck out of here. That's like I look for a GoFundMe. Happy Valentine's Day.
Hey, that's not your real teeth.
This is my real teeth.
Hell no.
Yes, it is. I said happy Valentine's Day.
What? Where you from?
I'm from Texas.
Never. That can't be a real. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to be funny. I'm not trying to check you. That cannot be a real.
This mine. This mine. I just got one pulled. I just got 1, 2 pulled. I'm still working on myself. I just got this one pulled. Yeah, I'm good though.
Okay, I'm sorry about that. You be having to get surgery or stuff or something?
No, I'm gonna get me some nerves.
How much them gonna cost?
Ooh, child. Ooh, they gonna hit me good on that one. About at least 8.
Well, shit, I hope it go good and shit. I wasn't trying to make fun of you, and I just didn't. I thought, them toy teeth.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to make fun of. I don't see how you I never seen nobody teeth like that. I'm not gonna lie.
It's okay. I'm good though.
Have a blessed one.
Ew. I got this man feeling bad for me and shit. I play too much. I made me choke. What the hell? Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day to you too.
What you doing?
Huh?
I said, what you doing?
I'm over here smoking. What are you doing?
Over here chilling.
Over here chilling. You single on Valentine's Day?
Yeah, just chilling in the mix, you know what I'm saying?
Is that sucker good?
It's alright. It's watermelon, but it ain't, you know. I'm trying.
It's not all that good.
It ain't all that.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. It's alright.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I feel you.
You. Man, got the hell out. I don't like it. What you got your fist balled up for? Like you finna swing on somebody? Who you finna swing on? Happy Valentine's Day.
Panic. I caught all the charges and still ain't panic.
I said happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. Hey, them fake teeth, ain't it? I already know them fake teeth.
No, they not. How you gonna tell me what route am I going?
Cause them, look, you go to the CVS or some shit, you grab that shit out the little machine for 25 cents.
These mine. I just got one pull. This my 2. I just got one pull the other day. I'm working on myself.
So go out there with your teeth. Pull that bitch out.
I can't pull it out till I go to the dentist.
So you swear to God on everything you love, on your grade, that's how your teeth really is.
This me.
Huh?
This me.
It's fake?
I said this me. All the way.
Oh, it's you. Most deaf. I feel you on that. Hey, I can't knock that.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm supporting it.
I'm good though.
Yeah. Most deaf. How you doing, man? Where you stay at, man? I stay in Florida, man.
From Chicago.
Oh, sorry.
Chi-town. Hey.
Most deaf.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, bro. Mike Jordan. Greatest of all time. I bet your ass don't be wearing Jordans for real, though. You got Jordans?
I really do. I got a bunch of them. Yep.
Say you swear to God.
I just got these too, right here. Matter of fact, I just got these. Just got these right here. House fresh right there.
Them not your shoes.
These is my shoes.
How you found this app? How you found out about Monkey?
What you mean?
Who
you like I'm not from Earth or something. You like I'm another creature or something. Like I'm an alien.
I understand, but people tell each other about it. My homeboy told me about this app. Like nobody told you about this app. You just found out about yourself.
Yeah.
Damn, dog.
So these ain't my shoes.
Crazy.
So them
shoes fresh. I ain't gonna count.
Yeah. Got plenty more where them come from. Got plenty more where them come from. Got a whole collection over here.
I mean, I expected you from Chi-Town.
Yeah, already. You know what I'm saying? Doing it how I do it.
What's there? Hey, I'm in chat though, mama. Yeah.
Yeah.
Be safe, man.
All right. Okay, you guys, it's gonna put an end to my freaking video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you stick around for the next one. And it's Band Runner Squad all day, every day. And I'm in and now out. Peace out, squad.